American Schutzhund, and today we're going to be opening up a package. It has 2 magnet balls, a set of magnets, and a tiny tug for us to be doing training together. These are Raddog Magnet Toys, and we got them from Ruffdog Sports in Canada. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so here is a 6-inch magnet.
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter magnet ball. Okay, so the magnets are right here. Oh, there's also the one that we already have, but I still like the color, so. This 6 centimeter ball is yellow. This one's red.
That one's bigger.
I found the magnet. That's cool. Okay, so here is the 4 centimeter magnet tug. And
That's actually a 4-inch magnet tug.
Yeah, and then I need the magnet. Here is the tug's magnet.
That was just to separate them.
Okay, so these totally stick together. They're like also fun toy for humans because when you try to put them in, they like get separated. It's really hard. It feels like a snake's moving it. So good spots to put them are right here, and definitely right here. Just make sure that your dog doesn't bite you. And the bad spots to put them are here, here. It's like literally attached to my hand. Don't attach it to your hair. This is our review of our Raddog Magnet Toys. It's good to use them because it's easier to not hold them in your hand or put them in your pants like I did in some of the videos because that was slobbery. It's easier to just put it on your back or shoulder or side. It's easier to do that because so then I don't have to hold them and my dog gets used to not to like me more than the ball because the ball is basically out of sight. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and there's like a bell thing, so make sure to click that so then you don't miss our newest videos. Bye!